Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Best Trade School Minute. And today we're going to guide you through the steps to become a phlebotomy technician right here in Pennsylvania. Phlebotomy technicians are essential in the healthcare field, responsible for drawing blood for tests, transfusions, donations, and research. If you have a great attention to detail, a steady hand, and a passion for helping others, this could be the perfect career for you. Let's get started on the steps you need to take. Step 1 is education and training. To become a phlebotomy technician, you'll need to complete a phlebotomy training program. In Pennsylvania, you can find these programs at community colleges, vocational schools, and healthcare training centers, such as the Harrisburg Area Community College, Community College of Philadelphia, and Pittsburgh Career Institute. These programs typically last a few weeks to a few months and cover topics like anatomy, medical terminology, and phlebotomy techniques. Step 2, gain hands-on experience. Most phlebotomy programs include clinical rotations or externships, where you'll practice your skills in a real healthcare setting under the supervision of experienced professionals. This hands-on experience is crucial for developing the practical skills needed to succeed. Step 3, get certified. While certification is not mandatory in Pennsylvania, it is highly recommended and can enhance your job prospects. The National Phlebotomy Association, American Society for Clinical Pathology, and National Health Career Association offer recognized certifications. Certification typically involves passing an exam that tests your knowledge and skills. Step 4, apply for jobs. With your education, hands-on experience, and certification, you're ready to enter the job market. Phlebotomy technicians are in high demand in hospitals, clinics, blood donation centers, and laboratories throughout Pennsylvania. Step 5, continue your education. Healthcare is a rapidly evolving field, and continuing education is important for staying current with the latest practices and technologies. Many phlebotomy technicians pursue additional certifications or specialized training to advance their careers. Becoming a phlebotomy technician in Pennsylvania involves a combination of education, hands-on training, and certification. With dedication and hard work, you can build a rewarding career in the healthcare industry. Thanks for watching this episode of Best Trade School Minute. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career tips and educational advice. See you next time.